Context. So, nag-share ako nung photo kasi shinare siya nung office mate ko dati. Ang brand niya is Toyo ni Mrs. So,
Akala ko si Sandy yung
ako nga.
Okay, go ahead.
So, it's Toyo Mansi with chili garlic. So, ang pangalan ng brand nila is Toyo ni Mrs. And yung variants nila ay Topak, so that's the mild. Sayad, yun yung spicy. And Tililing, that's the extra spicy. So, okay, background, I'm a Mrs. So, the first time na nakita ko to, tas shinare ko siya. Found it funny. And then, I discovered na dun sa page nila, meron silang parang clarification or public announcement na they're not promoting domestic violence or whatever.
Basahin mo nga yung yung buong statement.
It's kind of long. Okay.
Sige. Wait. Ayan. Mas mahaba, mas maganda.
Okay. Hi mga katoyo, we would like to clarify that we are not in any way promoting domestic violence of any form. If this has offended anyone, we apologize and pray for your understanding. Our intention to promote our startup business based on our experience and humor as a married couple.
Oh, married?
Yep. Wala po tayo sa Korean drama, teleserye, or commercial where everything and everyone looks fresh and happy all day. In short, walang perfect relationship. We get annoyed by little things, we fight. Aminin man natin o hindi, we all have our fair share of misunderstandings. Marriage is not always rainbows and butterflies. But what's important is that at the end of the day, we always choose to love each other. PS, bili po kayo, di puro comment lang. Parang may pang-date kami ni Mrs. Lubos na gumagalang. Mr. T.
Saan galing yung domestic violence kaya? Nag-PM sa kanila?
I guess.
Tingnan mo nga yung comments or something.
Okay. Top 3 comments na lang. Hindi natin sabihin yung name. Yan ang problema sa marami sa atin. We always make our partner the laughing stock of a relationship. This is a sexist brand name. Please be more sensitive and mindful on how you project positivity of your product because your humor is clearly misplaced. Yung second comment. There's nothing funny about your product name and branding at all. To do this at the expense of women is in very bad taste and further marginalizes them. Perhaps aside from marketing, you should also take lessons on gender sensitivity and cut the sarcasm and defensive stance on your replies if you want your product to sell. Well, their product is surely selling. So, no need for that. While we agree, it is third comment. While we agree that not all relationships are rainbows and butterflies, alluding domestic conflict to Toyo ni Mrs. subjugates women's legitimate claims to mere outbursts. Wala ba talagang basihan ang Toyo ng mga kababaihan? Hindi nakakabuti ang nakikiray kayo sa humor to promote your startup business. Please be more ascertaining of the consequences of your intentions. You are making money out of mundane violence. May mabugbog man sa binebenta nyo o wala. Ayun yung top 3 comments. So, question is, how far does political correctness go?
Nakalagay yun doon sa comments? Or
no, it's me. It's my question to you, to us. Okay.
Well, yun nga yung, kaya nga yung pinapansin.
Alam mo, dapat...
This is super serendipitous. Dahil nakita mo kanina, nanonood ako ng mga comedians na tungkol sa political correctness yung pinag-uusapan nila and how political correctness is ruining humor lalo na dun sa mga gustong magpatawa. Di ba yung kanina nga yung merong, ewan ko kung narinig mo, merong stand-up comedian galing sa Soviet Union, magpe-perform siya sa isang theater sa London yata or something, basta somewhere in the West. Tapos, pinag-sign siya ng waiver. The jokes must be unoffensive and not making fun of this and that. So it's not violent. ito yun, violence is rooted on ignorance. They're definitely playing on the word dun sa toyo ni Mrs. Alam naman nila pareho, di ba? Like, yung Mrs. niya is offended. Essentially, sinasakyan pa nga niya yung joke niya na gano'n. Are
Yeah.
you offended?
No, I found it funny. But that's the thing about joke. Like, kahit gano'n mo siya kalinis tingnan, someone will get offended by it. Someone. Kahit mga pang innocent jokes, someone will get offended by it. Maybe hindi marami, but someone will. So, yun nga yung problem. You can't be humorous anymore without,
Offending
feeling
anyone.
for
Your brand and nabubuli sila. Siyempre mo,
Yeah.
nabubuli sila ng mga feeling ko yung mga sila, yung mga tingnan mo yung profile ng mga nag-comment na yun. I would bet na ewan ko baka mga
Well, I don't
I don't know, maybe they're not into funny stuff na masyadong seryoso yung buhay nila na they can't laugh at themselves. Yun nga yung parang, di ba sabi ni Stephen Fry, yung psychiatrist, ang sabi niya, meron siyang kaibigang psychiatrist, ang isang measure kung paano mo malalaman na yung taong may mental illness is getting better is may capacity siya to laugh at his own actions, laugh at himself or herself. So, parang yan is a play na yan, kumbaga, it's like, who's getting a joke to at the expense of this and that. The mere fact na nag-exist yung term na may toyo, may toyo is, it persisted to this day. It's a manifestation of something na, the words are a representation of the phenomena. So, it exists. Hindi siya isang, like, parang theory lang na out of nowhere na parang, sabihin na natin a couple of decades old lang yung toyo na term na yung misis ko may toyo. Diba? Pero, that's absurd. Hindi siya funny. Sa totoo lang.
Well, yun nga. I'm the first time ko siyang nakita, found it funny.
It's
Babae ako, and of course, I do not condone any type of violence.
maybe you should take genders.
Tatatunan yung laptop.
Maybe you should get education and enroll yourself in a gender studies course.
Well, it's my choice. So, no one's gonna tell me kung anong gagawin ko at hindi. So, yun nga. I didn't get offended. Found it funny, actually. Kasi tinutoyo ako. I know it, sarili ko, tinutoyo ako. And I know, accepting that, I found it humorous. Ganun. So, what if, I guess yung question ko is, will it garner the same reaction and parang magiging ganun din ba sila ka-zealous kung if the situations were reversed? Like, ang nirelease nila ay suka ni Mister. So, will it...
Sim ni Mister.
Suka.
Kung nakikinig yung mga toyo ni Mrs.
It's art.
Sim ni Mister.
Suka ni Mister. So anyway, kunwari, ganun nga. So what if ganun pala? Will it garner the same so sabi niyo, mababahaw yung mga lalaki. That's why you should take gender sensitivity, ganyan. Kasi nakaka-offend kayo sa mga lalaki dahil it's gonna demean the blah blah blah. Baho ang mga lalaki or whatever, ganyan. So, yun. whenever whenever I see situations like this, lagi kong parang balance or timbangan is, what if the situation was reversed?
Yeah.
So will people still demand the same amount or same weight ng, uh, like apology from the brand or whatever. So yeah, that's my take on it.
No one gives a shit about guys anyway. So, it's like, hello, suka ni Mister. Baka nga hindi pa bumenta yun. Walang kagat. Walang potency yung joke. Suka ni Mister. Like, okay. Like, suka ni Mister. Pero toyo ni Mrs. Somehow, I'm a perpetrator of violence.
Pero may nag-comment nga dito.
Comments, tingnan mo kung may boyfriend sila, ganun. Kasi baka naman mentally ano na sila,
Kasi
they're mentally and who knows, public
it doesn't
profile.
matter kasi syempre
Pero tatlo, di ba? Yun yung tatlo.
whether may significant other ka or wala, like it's really hard to judge na, just looking at the profile na you're gonna sum up the entire
But for me, it's easy. Tingnan mo lang. Well, ito yun. Judging is cause, of course, we're in a society, so we judge each other. That's part of it.
Hinahanap ko yung comment, pero may nag-comment kasi na actually marami pa nga dito na tinatag yung mga boyfriend nila, tinatag yung mga mister nila. So I guess
Minority yung top 3 comments na yun o maraming nakuha silang likes and shit. Baka ginawa nga lang nila for likes or something.
like, sige, ganito na lang. Parang kung paano inaano pansin mo kung paano hinihimay ni Jordan Peterson yung like, pag may situation na bakit why does toyo equal violence? But why? I guess yun kasi yun yung sinasabi nila na it promotes domestic violence, that it promotes na i-demean yung mga kababaihan. So why is toyo equal violence?
So are you asking this like in rhetorically, or do you want to really himayin natin para
It's up for discussion. Kasi, tingnan mo yung naging sexist ka na. Tapos, naging misogynist ka na. Naging so ignorant ka na. Ayan na, misogyny din. Binabasa ko itong mga
well, yan nga yung sinasabi na
hate speech na siya. So, why is toyo equal that? Toyo is a state of, I guess, emotion or mind for like 10 minutes. It's a, it's a state of emotion. Kaya toyo ako ngayon.
saltik ka. That's it, yun din yun. Toyo, saltik.
Kumbaga, it's a state of emotion for like 10 minutes. Hindi siya
tantrum, ganun. Di ba parang, so parang it's a tantrum. So, so yung mga kids, okay lang magkatoyo. Pero yung men, okay lang magkatoyo. Pero pag women, parang ganun yung sinasabi niya. Pag-asawa
iba
sila
yung,
na,
I guess it would be different if, kunwari,
pag nagkatoyo, si Mr. matakot ka.
I mean, if
May toyo.
hindi na ako nakasa. If his wife is opposed to this, kasi nga, yun nga, na-offend siya or whatever, if he did this. Kaso hindi like, joint
effort.
effort nila tong dalawa. Obviously, his wife also found it funny.
Yeah.
So, kung ano man yung effort na ini-exert din. Well, I mean, it's a joint effort.
Mm.
May consultation din to. Hindi naman to na naisip nila ngayon and then the next day ni-release nila. So probably it took them a long while bago to na-release. And sa process na yon, in every step of the way, I would assume na involved yung misis niya. Probably, inapprove din. Inapprove ni misis yung toyo ni misis. Inapprove ni misis yung pangalan ng variants. Inapprove yung logo nila.
Collaborative effort. Yes.
Ganon. So, you know, what's the issue na?
Baka extreme, kasi may mga extremist na ganyan na feminists din naman kasi na you know, this reeks of the, you know, this smells of the pungent aroma of feminism, like everything on it, na ganong klase na
Yung logo nila,
getting offended on other people's behalf.
Yeah.
Getting offended on other people's behalf.
So if yung logo nila is kunwari it's depicting nag-aaway na mag-asawa or it's depicting yung ganun, then it's totally kasi yun talaga you're projecting literally violence. But it's just literally just toyo ni Macy's.
Oo, pwede mo naman sabihin yung toyo ng nilalambing mo naman, diba? Tinotoyo ka. Yeah. Iba yung kapag sinabi mo na
it's a lambing, actually.
Diba?
I actually...
yun na yung baseline, like minimally offensive way of saying na
it's actually like
sort
of like an endearment na tinotoyo si Macy's. Yeah. Whatever.
Bitch is crazy. Lalo na yun. Hindi naman siya crazy bitch. Kung yun siguro, maybe may na-transgress ng some sort of social appropriateness dun sa brand na kahit nga crazy bitch. Na ganun, parang wala na rin na parang it's not even offensive, di ba? Mga ganong in terms of sa media and internet and sa ganong sphere. Yeah, so wala na silang
well, yun na, nag-release.
Wala na silang public state. Hindi naman sila nag-apologize.
Ito may your page has been reported for promoting violence against women. If you think this is a joke lang, you clearly have been ill-advised. It's really rethink your branding. It's not too late. Well, you know what? I'm gonna buy from them.
Yeah, to support. They don't, parang, ano na yan sila, na-possess na yan sila ng, feeling ko, na-possess na yan ng some, you know, some ideas na hindi na nila kaya mag-welcome ng opposing ideas without having to, let's agree to disagree about this. But no, you're misogynistic and this and that na sila na yung naging judge and jury nitong
I mean, the way they portrayed kasi I'm looking at yung ano nila.
Ayan,
doesn't really look like a woman na, you know, at the receiving end of violence. She looked really, you know, strong and independent, quote unquote, independent dito sa
photo lang siyang angsty female.
Toyo siya. Hence the name.
Mga siyang masungit. Fiery.
Yeah. So anyway.
Feisty. Oh. That's just stupid. Yan yung ano dyan in basic signal lang eh. This is a sign of the times. this political correctness thing sa mga gustong magpatawa. Well, maybe siguro sa internet sphere. Pero kapag siguro naman kunyari ganitong harap-harapan, like going back into the
Wait, I have to interrupt you. Meron gumawa ng suka ni Mrs. Oh, see? Suka ni Mrs.
Anong flavor?
Sawa ka na ba sa toyo ni Miss, I guess? Sali na tikman ang suka ni Mrs. Walang mga, I don't think may mga ano dito. Sweetened, spice, wala silang mga,
Hate speech.
witty variant. Oh, yan, ayun. Look. Suka ni Mrs.
Suka ni Estel. Reported the page. I mean, this political correctness thing can really go into extreme lengths na
Actually, whatever you say, kahit gaano ka, kahit ang nag-compose pa nung speech mo or whatever it is that you're gonna post ay yung pinakamagaling na writer or PR person. Tawag dito. Writer. Someone will get offended. 100% someone will get offended.
There's crazy people. There's crazy people. Lots of crazy people on the internet. Maybe hyper sane. Sabihin na natin hindi crazy, sure. Maybe they're hyper genius na sobrang they're way ahead of the curve na small things like this. Kasi yun they're really so ahead of the curve and sila na yung like parang the enlightened woke shit, woke people na this equates to the end of the end of the or oppression of the contributes to oppression of women and ganyan. It's like
Yeah.
well the platform they are using to make the comment, Facebook, is made by men. And by using Facebook, they are contributing to the perpetuation and commenting on the, by commenting on the thing itself, they are contributing to people's awareness about kasi nagva-viral yata yung
I guess.
well this yan this is a sad part of
And the thing about that is if you choose to whatever you choose to do, ma-offend ka or hindi ka ma-offend, people will decide based on your choice kung anong sinusuportahan. Like, you're not offended by it, then you must support violence. So, if you're not with us,
you're against us.
Yeah. Ganun, like, if, kunwari, bumili ako from them, and then, pinost ko siya, sinabi ko na, I actually find this funny. I'm not ganyan. Then, you're part of the, malamang,
Part of the problem.
You're part of the problem. Ganyan. You're not, if you don't find anything wrong with it, then you're part of the problem. Na, if you're not side with us, edi, you're promoting violence against your fellow women. So, which I'm not. But, yun yung difference.
It's language. They don't really, if parang you can, it's a figure of speech. It's a figure of speech na,
I remember,
there's some convoluted stuff sa position nila na this is violent. Okay, fine. I-take natin yung side nila. Let's say violence against women. Okay. Why? Why is it violence against women? Let's take their side.
Yun nga yung tinatanong ko eh. Why is toyo equal to violence? Bakit siya...
Let's take their side. Yun nga talaga. Let's make their argument the strongest argument ever. This is violence because it's offensive, which is weak argument. It's a personal thing, being offended. It's emotional. So it's not a rational, being
Kung ang pinangalan nila is kunwari, sa pakay misis, ganun. Ja, hello.
Sapakin si Mrs. Yun, ganun. Sapakin si Mrs.
Whatever. Basta po, like an action and then subject, ganun. Then, you can really draw, an offense from that. Pero again, yun nga, toyo is it's like a state of emotion for like 10 minutes.
But, again, let's take their side. Okay, it's violence against women. Let's assume na tama sila. It's violence against women. It's let's think of reasons. Kasi mukhang they're arguing rationally about it, right? Or are they arguing irrationally about it? Itong mga tomato yun. Mga nagsasabing, ba tinotoyo lang tong mga nagsasabi na violence against women, toyo. But yeah. Asan? How is this? Let's think nga. Seriously. Let's think about it.
Kasi don't see their points.
But let's try to see their point. Let's assume nga na, okay, violence, is this demeaning? Demeaning? Agree? Would you agree would you open your mind in agreeing to their statement?
Hindi nga. Ulit, hindi nga. No. Okay. Wait, toyo is a state emotion. It's like anger. It's anger demeaning. Diba? I don't see emotions as either, hindi emotion, happiness or anger or whatever, sadness or this toyo, for instance. I don't see it in a sort of, ano bang tawag doon? Timbangan where pwede mo siyang i-identify kung it's positive or negative or ano.
Hate speech. I-report doon niya kasi for hate speech.
No, i-report niya for violence.
Hate?
Violence. No. Aling part doon. Kasi kunwari ako yung Facebook, magre-review ako nun. Nakalagay siya is, yun nga, toyo ni Mrs. Which part of that? Kasi nga, it's a description. Dinidescribe mo siya. Happiness ni Mrs. or anger ni Mrs. In this case, toyo ni Mrs. It's a description. Like, you're happy, you're angry, you're hungry, you're tired, you're sleepy. Tinotoyo ka. It's a description. It's hindi siya subjective, it's a description. So, kunwari, ako yung Facebook, i-review ko siya. Which part?
Hindi na magigits yun. Malalim na Tagalog pati yun. Like,
yeah. Wow,
it's a bit,
and then, pag tinignan mo naman yung logo nila, there's no one, dun sa, sa picture niya. It's like Mrs. Just Mrs. na tinatoyo. There's no one inflicting violence doon sa female.
Imagery.
Still, no.
Yes, so the toyo itself is, para baka sinasabi nila kasi, baka naman sinasabi nila the existence of the product itself na may ganung pangalan is a symbol of oppression to women everywhere na by developing it it's a sign, it's a symbol na parang monument na if you buy this then you are participating in the perpetuation of
How?
the
How?
I mean, that's I'm gonna ask them. How? Ito yung sagot nila dyan. How? Well, you gotta take a course on gender sensitivity. Maybe nandun yung question. Like, how? Like, gender sensitivity and maybe they're getting too much sensitivity from that, which is,
Kasi alam ko dahil I'm a woman and
yun.
hindi ko na kailangan yun dahil ako mismo, babae ako. And I did not feel offended. I do not feel any violence towards me when I saw it.
Sabihin nila sa'yo,
Yun na yun.
You're ignorant, sis. Like, you should take courses and learn how men have been subjugating women and the patriarchy and this is itong bagay na to ay hindi tama. Sa isipin na natin, isa pa. What if may magtanong na bata? Bakit toyo ni Mrs.? Yan, yung children. Tako natin tanong. Ni Mrs. yung pangalan nito. Kasi anak, si Mrs. minsan, pag mag-Mrs. ka na, tinotoyo. Malalaman mo rin pag laki mo. Tama naman. It's wala makita nga rin na argument. I'm siding with their, like, it's stupid. Making myself feel stupid with my own arguments. Why this is hate speech and oppression of women. So ano pa? Wala na. That's it.
No, I can't find anything. So I didn't find offense.
Okay.